Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a stock that has reacted to one of our trading areas. So we want to take a look at where the next target could be. I'm talking about Honeywell and we'll take a look at the chart. Let's go. So we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. Maybe you don't know it yet, but you can register on this website completely for free and you get access to all of these updates. Because Honeywell isn't really a stock I cover here very often on YouTube. But for example, if you followed our updates, as I said, which are completely for free, then you might have seen this setup in recent weeks. So we will take a look at that now. We'll take a look here at the stocks section, our US stocks. We take a look at Honeywell, because we updated that today with some other ones, and I want to share with you first the overall larger time frame context. And you can see that here on the larger time frame, which is the 1 day time frame, the idea is that we could now be starting a Z wave to the upside. It's quite a complex correction. It's typically a very rare correction. It's the Z wave in the B wave. So you might already know that B waves are very chameleon-like structures. They can really, they can take different shapes, sizes, forms, ABC patterns, WXY, WXY, very different structures. In this case, it followed the WXYXZ pattern in a B wave, and the resistance level here is around $24. It can be that we break briefly above it, but that would sort of be one of the next milestone targets. Sorry, 240, not 24. This is sort of, one of our next milestone targets here. It seems like the market could get there, actually should break a little bit higher than this Y wave high, and as long as the X wave low that formed recently around $180 stays intact, the market is likely pushing higher now, but as part of a corrective rally. The idea is that all of this is actually part of a larger wave 4 correction. You can see that a third wave topped there in 2021. Bear in mind, this is the daily chart, so we are looking really at larger time frames. The third wave topped there. We moved down in a corrective pullback, but the move up is not impulsive. So the thesis is that the correction is still unfolding, but we have not reached yet this 100% extension target around $173. So the idea is that a much more complex correction is unfolding in this wave 4, a large A, B, C structure. And as I said, we're currently working on this B wave, basically a B wave rally, which takes shape as a W, X, Y, X, Z pattern. Very complex. Now, I'd say let's take a look at the shorter time frame. It's the 2-hour chart here, because the price recently here, just in April, reacted to our trading area for this X wave. It's now grayed out. It's not relevant anymore. Those who entered in that area will probably have adjusted their stop losses already. I mean, that's essentially what these boxes are for. We can't tell you that you should enter a trade or exit a trade, but we can provide the information about market structure, areas of probability where the price would ideally react. In this case, we had a standard Fibonacci target for this X wave. Again, that was communicated on our website. And the market has potentially started to turn around there. Pretty much exactly around $179, and we could be on our way higher now in this Z wave. Now, the next objective for the bulls will be a break above these swing highs here in March, from March, but we seem to be on a good way. And at the moment, probabilities are highlighting that this Z wave should take the price higher, as I said, to $240 plus essentially. But it could be, if it now breaks down, if we now go down directly, break below $179.36, which we don't expect in our primary count. But if that happens, then we might complete this fourth wave in a very direct fashion. We only see that with a 36% likelihood. So the preferred interpretation is for upside continuation over the coming months, probably, if we look at the size of those moves. Before then, the journey to the downside starts to complete wave 4 in the area that I already showed you here on the larger time frame. So that means, I think, medium term, the focus is on higher towards that $240 area. So that's the update about Honeywell. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you register on the website. It's for free. And also let me know in the comments which other stocks, tech stocks or cryptos you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.